Hey guys, this is Ivan Washington with J Hunt Super Center, where I'm going to go over some of the amazing features of this 2020 Ford Raptor we just got in our inventory.
So you don't want to miss out on this big beast? Let's check it out right now.
First things first, let's take a look at this big beast. The Raptor is known for its head-turning design. There's no exception. Check out this aggressive grille, the fender flare, and those awesome Raptor badges. It's a true showstopper.
But the real magic happens underneath.
And this beast is equipped with the impressive Fox Live valve shocks. What does that mean for you? It means this truck is built to handle any terrain that you throw at it. Whether you're conquering rock trails or cruising smoothly on the highway, this Raptor's suspension will keep you comfortable and in control. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the driver-focused cockpit that's both comfortable and stylish. And take a seat in these supportive Raptor branded seats and wrap your hands around the leather wrapped steering wheel. It just feels right, doesn't it?
And here's a little something for you savvy truck enthusiasts. Come closer, lean in closer, look up here.
For those who like the light bars, you have your auxiliary switches already pre-installed.
And here's a little tip for all you adventurous souls out there.
It's not your average truck bed. Ford went above and beyond with some fantastic features. Check out this available tailgate step. It makes getting in and out of the bed a breeze. Now, more awkwardly climbing or struggling to reach your cargo. And with the box link system, you can customize your tie-down locations to secure any of your gear, just like a pro. Now let's pop the hood and see what makes the Raptor roar. Underneath, we got a powerful 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. It's pumping out jaw-dropping 450 horsepower and 510 pound-foot of torque. This truck's mean business. The Raptor comes with 6 selectable driving modes, including the legendary Baja mode. Active Baja mode on this truck transforms into an off-road beast with optimized throttle response, revised transmission shift points, and enhanced stability control. It's built for high-speed desert running. Just remember to find a suitable and safe location and truly experience the full potential of this feature. So there you have it, guys. This 2020 Ford F-150 Raptor is ready to conquer any challenges that you throw at it. But don't wait too long, because this big beast won't last on our lot very long. Come on down to J Hunt Super Center of Lexington and take it for a spin. And don't forget to ask for Ivan when you get here.
Has a built-in trailer brake for all you campers.